Machine learning courses for Python beginners can be overwhelming, but they generally fall into two categories: courses for those who already code and courses for those who don't. Most ranking articles fail to make this distinction, leading beginners astray. When choosing a course, it's essential to check the syllabus. If the first module covers Python data types, lists, and functions, it's designed for someone starting from scratch. However, if it jumps into NumPy arrays and gradient descent notation, it assumes prior knowledge of Python. A critical factor to consider is course completion rates. According to a 2024 study, only 38.1% of participants ultimately earned a certificate, while 48.5% stayed active but didn't complete it. This highlights the importance of choosing a course that fits your schedule and learning style. The demand for data scientists and machine learning professionals is on the rise, with the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics projecting a 34% increase in jobs by 2034. Completing a beginner course is just the first step. Building a portfolio and gaining practical experience are crucial for landing a job in the field. To get started with machine learning, you don't need extensive math knowledge, but basic algebra and a comfort with variables, functions, and graphs are essential. With consistent study and practice, you can develop the skills needed to succeed in this field and open up new career opportunities. Read more at iconifers.com.